In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline your workflow by allowing you to access Google Drive documents directly from your Notion workspace. So let's get started and make your productivity even more seamless. First, you want to open your Google Drive. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to find the document you wish to share with Notion. This could be anything from a simple text document to a complex spreadsheet. Opening Google Drive is a straightforward process, but be sure you're using the account where your file is stored tool. Now that you have your document in front of you, locate the Share button. Typically, you'll find this button positioned at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it and a Share Settings window will pop open. What you need to do next is manage how visible this document will be to others, especially for this integration. In this Share Settings window, you'll see an option to set the visibility. Look for the setting that says Anyone with the link. By selecting this, you're allowing anyone with access to the link, and that includes Notion, to view your document. This is a pivotal step to ensure that Notion can display your content without any roadblocks due to permission issues. With your document now publicly accessible, it's time to pop over to your Notion page. Open up a browser tab, navigate to Notion, and go to the workspace or specific page where you want to integrate your Google Drive document. Once you're at the right spot, you're ready for the next step. Go back to your Google Drive document, click the Copy Link button, and then return to Notion. Here, you're going to paste the link you just copied. This action is easy. Simply right-click on your mouse or trackpad and select Paste. Or you can use the shortcut keys, Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. As soon as you paste the link, Notion will prompt you with a couple of options. Here, you'll choose Create Embed. By doing this, you're instructing Notion to display this document right within your Notion page as an embedded preview. It's a simple but powerful way to tie your two favorite platforms together. Once embedded, Notion will display the document in line, letting you view and interact with it without leaving your Notion workspace. The beauty of this feature is that you can customize how it looks. Simply drag to resize the embedded document to suit your needs, or, if you're working with multiple sections, place it inside a column to keep your workspace neat and organized. Just like that, you've successfully integrated Notion with Google Drive. This integration is perfect for those needing to frequently access Google Drive documents without disrupting their workflow in Notion. Thanks for following along with this guide, and I hope it adds a nice boost to your productivity toolkit.